How we doing, guys? Hope everyone's having a good day. Just going to take a quick look at setting a stop limit. The markets have dipped a little bit today, so it just shows how important it is to get these orders set to sort of minimize your losses and sort of protect your gains. So we're just going to have a quick video on how to do that. We're going to start off on Binance, so go ahead and download the app if you haven't already. Then from the home page, we're going to hit Markets. We're going to use Terra today as an example. So I'm going to go type Luna, hit search. Okay, so I'll just take you into Luna USDT. Once you're in here, if you do want to change the pair, you've got all these to choose from. Personally, I would recommend going into a stable coin, because generally if sort of one coin dips, they sort of tend to sort of follow sort of Bitcoin. So we're going to go into BUSD. So Luna BUSD up the top, make sure you've got the correct pairing. Then you're going to go ahead and click sell. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and jump over to stop limit. So the current price at the moment is $107.88 odd. So we're going to pretend we bought in at around $60, and now we're sort of want to protect our gains a little bit. Or alternatively, you could have bought in at 107 and just trying to limit your losses. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to click stop, and the price we're going to set for that, we're going to do 105. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and click limit, and then we're going to type 100. So if we use 100% as an example, basically if we bought in at 60, it's risen to 107, it starts to dip, the order will trigger at 105, and then it will sell if it reaches 100. So you'll be taking, you know, $40 profit on that. Alternatively, if you bought in at 107, it starts to dip, the order will trigger at 105, and then it will sell at 100, so you've only lost your $7.60 or 80 odd. You've got the options, choosing what percentage. So we'll set that as an example. We'll go sell Luna. Just confirm all that's correct. It's important your stop is above your limit. Go ahead and click confirm. You've got the total you're going to get there. Okay, and that will just sit there as an open order. And if you want to view your open orders, you hit trades at the bottom on the Binance menu, and you can sort of go into them all, you can cancel them all. So we're just going to go ahead and cancel that one, because we like Luna and we're going to hodl forever. I hope you enjoyed the video. Obviously do your own research, guys. Thanks for watching.